If you skip the consultation step when setting up your PT-PMA in Bali, you're stuck with 6 months of government rejections, and here's how the Bali lawyer fixes it in 21 days. Here's the problem. Most foreigners file without understanding Indonesia's 2026 negative investment list. Get a consultation before filing. The Bali lawyer reviews your business classification in 48 hours and confirms you're on the positive list. Check your minimum capital requirement. In 2026, most PT-PMAs need 10 billion rupiah paid up, not just authorized. A PT-PMA is a foreign-owned limited liability company in Indonesia. In 2026, the Ministry of Investment changed the negative investment list, and 14 business sectors that were open in 2026 are now restricted. If you file without a Bali lawyer consultation, immigration rejects your investor KITA's application after you've already spent 120 million rupiah on notary fees and company registration. This is exactly why we built the Bali lawyer, to handle the due diligence before you waste money on a business structure that won't get approved. Most people fail here. They hire a cheap notary who files the wrong KBLI code, the business classification code Indonesia uses to determine if your sector is open to foreign investment. The notary charges 15 million rupiah and doesn't check the 2026 negative list. 3 months later, immigration sends a rejection letter. You can't appeal. You have to dissolve the company and start over, losing all setup costs. Do not skip the legal consultation to save 20 million rupiah upfront. With the Bali lawyer, we verify your KBLI code matches an open sector before the notary files anything. Step 2. Book a free consultation with the Bali lawyer within 24 hours. You'll get on a Zoom call with a bilingual Indonesian lawyer who reviews your business plan and confirms the exact KBLI code you need. If your sector is restricted, they'll suggest an adjacent open classification that keeps you compliant. This step saves you from filing a company that can't sponsor your visa. The consultation is free. The full PT-PMA setup through the Bali lawyer costs 85 million rupiah and includes company registration, notary deed, tax ID, investor KITA's sponsorship letter, and registered office for 1 year. Step 3. Let the Bali lawyer handle the Ministry of Law and Human Rights filing. This is important. In 2026, the ministry requires a bilingual deed of establishment, a statement of domicile from the Banjar, and proof of paid-up capital deposited in an Indonesian bank account before you get the company approval letter. Most DIY founders miss the Banjar letter, and the ministry rejects the application after 45 days. The Bali lawyer prepares all 11 documents in the correct sequence and follows up with the ministry every 7 days. Average approval time is 21 days from submission to SKT Kemenkumham, the official company registration certificate. Here's the problem with trying to DIY your PT-PMA setup. Right now, you're reading Reddit threads from 2026 that say you can form a company in 14 days. That timeline was before the 2026 negative list update. Today, immigration cross-checks your KBLI code against the restricted sectors database before issuing a KITA's. If the notary filed the wrong code, you discover the mistake 90 days later when your visa application is denied, and by then the company is already registered and you've already paid the notary, the registered office provider, and the tax consultant. After applying the Bali lawyer's consultation process, your business classification is verified before filing, your deed is bilingual, and your KITA's sponsorship letter is ready the same day the company is approved. Advanced step. When you book your consultation with the Bali lawyer, ask the lawyer to include a Foreign Capital Investment Approval Letter, or LKPM, in your setup package. This letter comes from the Indonesia Investment Coordinating Board, called BKPM. In 2026, if your PT-PMA operates in certain sectors like food and beverage, retail, or consulting, you need the LKPM before you can open a corporate bank account. Most notaries don't tell you this. You register the company, Then discover the bank won't approve your account application without BKPM approval, and the BKPM process takes another 30 days. The Bali Lawyer applies for your LKPM in parallel with your company registration, so both approvals land within the same 21-day window. The exact wording to say when you book the consultation is, "I need PT/PMA setup with LKPM included, and I want the investor KITA's sponsorship letter ready on day 1. That sentence tells the lawyer exactly what package you need, and they'll quote you the full cost up front with no surprise fees. I need PT/PMA setup with LKPM included, and I want the investor KITA's sponsorship letter ready on day 1. Book a free consultation with the Bali Lawyer in 24 hours. Verify your KBLI code is on the 2026 positive list. Let the Bali Lawyer handle the ministry filing and BKPM approval. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com to set up your PT/PMA in Bali with 0 rejections. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.